Hi everyone, it's the Van Sapka from Well Awareness. I have a delicious spring salad for you today. Watermelon, cheese and pomegranate. So the cheese of choice is halloumi. If you don't eat cheese, you can substitute with tofu or any protein of your choice. So you can take a block of this of the halloumi and slice it, 8 slices. And I've already prepared that. So 8 slices that you drizzle with the juice of some lime, some parsley, mint, and a little bit of avocado oil, and stick that in the oven to broil for 4 to 5 minutes. And we'll watch the time now. While that's broiling, we're gonna toss the arugula into a salad bowl, and you've got watermelon cut up, half of 1 watermelon, toss that in with a cup of olives stuffed with almonds. Wonderful, isn't that looking great? And the seeds of 1 pomegranate. This is nature's candy right here. Provides sustained energy, boosts immunity, improves a healthy digestion. Doesn't that look wonderful? And it's also a good source of B vitamins and iron. And now together with that, you're going to add the parsley that you've chopped up and the mint and the zest. We're going to add some more lime to this. Lime zest. Freshen it up for a nice tangy taste. Beautiful. Let's toss that in. And you would have created a little sample of your chili paste. We'll add the juice of 1 lime to that, which I prepared earlier, and a tablespoon of avocado oil. This is looking really good. And a tablespoon of pomegranate molasses, which I usually find in Mediterranean grocery stores, in an Arabic grocery store. Thick and syrupy. Beautiful. And give that a good mix. And I'm going to wait to toss it in when I get the halloumi. Let's get that sticky bits with the chili paste. Fantastic. Let's just check on the halloumi and see how that's doing. Sizzling, and it smells so good. And you can toss that right in. Oh my goodness, colorful, beautiful salad. Let's toss that beautiful salad dressing in. It's a salad dressing that usually makes a salad, but this looks like a meal unto itself. Beautiful watermelon, arugula, halloumi with olives. Enjoy.